my channel, and for today's What's Cooking Wednesdays, the ingredients that you will be using is fire roasted diced tomatoes, Parmesan cheese shredded, beef smoked sausages, heavy whipping cream, shrimp, broccoli, and peony, I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, pasta. So so the first thing you want to do is grab your sausages that you'll be using. I'm going to use 3. And with these, you want to cut them at an angle. So after you've cut your sausages, you are going to take your shrimp. Mine have the tail on, and I'm just going to go ahead and take the tail off of these, and then they've already been deveined and all that good stuff. So now we're just going to go ahead and cook our sausages. Going to turn this to number 7 on the stove. Spray some olive oil on the bottom of this. Wait for it to get hot, and then we'll start cooking. While that's happening as well, we're going to go ahead and start on our pasta. You will boil your pasta as you usually do. What I do is I just salt the water, and that's it. Let it cook until it's fully done. sausages. Oh, bless me. You want to go ahead and cook your shrimp. Cook these until they turn pink. You do not want them to overcook and become rubbery, and you don't want them to be undercooked and then you end up having sushi. So just gonna let these cook, and the pasta is still going on. So after the shrimp cook, then we're going to start on the Alfredo sauce. So now that we've cooked our pasta, shrimp, and sausage, it is time for us to create our sauce. So what you're gonna first do is pour your whipping cream in. Just gonna pour all of mine because I like a lot of sauce. And this was 16 fluid ounces, 1 pint. So pour that in there. Get you a stirring spoon. This will begin to thicken up. So as it thickens up, you want to go ahead and put your Parmesan cheese in there. So we're just going to sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan cheese. We're going to season it with this Cajun seasoning that I purchased from Walmart. And give it its first good stir. I ended up adding more heavy cream because I want mine to be saucy. So the next step is to just start pouring in your pasta. And then you're going to pour in your meat. I think I put a little bit too much pasta in here. Mix it. For some added color, these are fire roasted diced tomatoes. I went ahead and steamed my broccoli. So now we're just gonna add it to the bag. So I did go ahead and switch pots just because that one couldn't hold all of this. So I'm just gonna now mix and let it simmer until the sauce gets really thick, and then your meal will be done. So be back with you. So roomies, this is the completed meal. I let it sit on 2 for about 20 extra minutes. It has thickened up actually. So I will leave all of the ingredients down in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so very much for tuning in. Until my next one. Bye. I should. Oh! Nobody did that.